What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today starts the mark of our road to 400 horsepower. And as all easiest mods go, today we're going to be starting off with an intake that I got from BMS Burger Motorsports online. I chose this one. I got it off a friend, so it's second hand, but it's okay. Everything still works fine. This I cleaned and everything is gonna be just fine. It's just missing a bolt here, but that's okay. I found a new bolt. I think this is a 7. The stocks are size 6mm that we're gonna be using, and then we're gonna remove. You can't even say anything. And in the car, we're gonna remove the bolt right there. So we're gonna move this entire piece right here. We're gonna start off by removing these clips. So take a flathead and just literally pop them out. There's about 4 clips, in case, unless I forgot. Yeah, so 4 clips, and does that. Now we're gonna take our 6mm, remove that, and be careful for the map sensor. We're gonna take that out separately. Now with that unscrewed, we're just gonna pull it out of there and kind of rest it like this so we can access these. Now with a T25, we're gonna remove the map sensor here, so just 2 bolts. Now we're gonna carefully just pry this off, and we're gonna just put that to the side right there. Now with this cover piece off, we're gonna put this to the side. Now the next thing we're gonna have to remove, because the Burger Motorsports intake remains the factory box under here. We're gonna have to remove this from the stock position. We're gonna have to take it put it aside. Quickly, we're gonna clean in here. And now we're gonna reinstall the Burger Motorsports intake. So we're gonna slip it into. Actually, before I do anything, I'm gonna install the map sensor so it's easier on me. So right here, I'm literally just gonna push it in. Now I'm gonna take that screw that I made, 7mm, and just thread it in. Now with the map sensor installed, I'm literally just gonna put it back in here, slip it in, make sure it's in there snug. And now we're just gonna tighten it back up over here with the 6mm. Alright, now it's completely installed. I think it looks really cool. I'm so curious to turn the car on and see how it sounds, but that's that. I mean, if you want, you could take out these clips here by just pushing them down, and they just pop out of this box here because they're gonna be rattling around now. But yeah, if you take them out, everything should sound and look really good. Now earlier I mentioned that I'm on the road to 400 horsepower. That's true. I already have the Cobb charge pipe in here. I'll be throwing the video up here so you guys could check it out. That's just a safety mod, I guess, because the stock charge pipe usually breaks around the edges, and that's a preventative measure that I wanted to take. Right now I just did my oil change. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing my spark plugs. Again, both those videos, you can find them down in my channel below. I've already made videos about how to change your oil. That was actually one of my first video on YouTube. And spark plugs, I did it just recently on a different car, but same concept. It's a straight 6, and I got Bosch ignition coils, and those should be totally fine for what I'm doing. The car's only got 76,000 kilometers, so that's like, I don't know, 60 or 55,000 miles. 2011, but it's an N55 engine, and although it's more reliable than the N54, it won't make as much horsepower ever, but it's okay. I'm not trying to push big numbers. I just want to hit 400. What you could expect to come is I'm going to be doing a strut bar, so for extra rigidity and safety in the front, so it's a bit stiffer. I'm going to be doing a downpipe that I found on Amazon, NP boosted, I think it's called. I'm not sure, I don't remember. But yeah, I have a lot coming to this car, and I'm planning to tune it with GB4 and MHD back-end flash. So if you're curious to see any of that, guys, smash that subscription button and like the video, and you'll be seeing more of me and the whole build that I'm planning to do here. Alright, let's hear the first startup. Holy shit, that sounded fucking sick! Oh, we gotta go for a drive right now. Right now. Oh, that's so cool! Oh, fuck this radio. Oh my god, windows down, it's summertime! Alright, backing it up. Wow. No way! No way! No. Oh my Jesus! Holy fuck! Oh my god, bruh. So that's the end of part 1. The intake from Burger Motorsports is installed and it sounds amazing. I hope you guys got good footage of that. But I'm gonna end it here, guys. Next video we're gonna be doing something a little different, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you're curious about seeing or following my journey of 400 horsepower, because that's the goal. Yeah, I have nothing else to say about that. Super easy install. You guys could do it in like 10 minutes max. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll remind you guys to always drive what drives you, and I'll be catching you guys in the next video. Peace.